Hello and welcome to my channel Creative Gaming. My name is Dorothea and right now you are watching Basic. This is another episode of Paint.net for beginners, and today I'll teach you how to make an awesome looking YouTube banner in the program Paint.net. So let's get to it. A really good place to start is, of course, to watch my videos from earlier. There's a whole playlist that will be a link for that playlist in the description box below, and in this you can find out basically everything you need to know about Paint.net and all the things that I'm going to use in this video. So I hope that isn't too much trouble for you. The next really awesome step is to go down in Dropbox, because I have posted a new thing in my Dropbox. Because right now, when we do stuff like this, when we want to do a banner for a YouTube channel, then there are some kind of important things we need to know. And that's the size and the area of what can you say when you have this banner. So I have this template, which has the correct size. That will be a link for that one in the description box below, so that you guys can use my template and, I don't know, live life the easy way. Alright, so if you haven't watched my earlier videos, you might have a little bit of a hard time catching on to all the things I'm doing, because I'm going to go over it kind of fast because it's so simple. But at the same time, it shouldn't be too big of a deal, because I'll go as much in depth as I possibly can while doing it in a short period of time. So, we have a logo. We made the logo last time. It's a really awesome logo, and when we want to do a banner, then we want to do something in the same style as our logo. So of course I still have the same text type laying on my laptop, and that's what we're gonna use. That's our base. Then I have two ways of really doing a really awesome looking banner, and one of them is to take a few different pictures, put together, put our banner logo text over the pictures, and then call that a day. Or I'll take one picture, make sure the contrast is right so that I can put any logo like picture on top of it. And the technique I want to show you today, because the other one is quite simple if you know the more enthusiastic way, so I'm going to take the multiple pictures choice, which means that, alright, what do we need? We need something from my YouTube channel. We need to know, we need to go look at my channel and think, what represents my channel? Well, of course, right now, when we look at it, we can see this Paint.net thing. That's a big part of it. So, what's the style of the Paint.net thumbnails, we could say? And oh, well, that's pretty much the same as my logo, my channel banner at the moment. Easy. What do we else find when we go down here? We find some graphics design around laying here, and then we think, oh my god, I have a drawing video, of course. So I'm probably going to use something from drawing. Then I have a lot of Sims videos. I have some Minecraft laying around. I also have a little bit of vlogs, but vlogs can also get kind of annoying unless it's a picture like the one on this thumbnail. So we have to use these words. So alright, the text has to be interesting, like in the video where I tell you guys how to make awesome looking text in Paint.net, which you can see right here. That's a pretty good tutorial. I can only recommend it. So that's the kind of text we want to go for. Then we want to go for something with my art already. We want to take something from gaming. It's probably going to be Minecraft related. And then we need one thing more. What should we say? We could say I want a picture of my setup in the background. So now we have an idea about what we are going to use. So we make a new layer and lay that under this template, because everything inside of this template is what you see on phone or mobile. No, it's what you see on your phone or on your computer. Oh, well, we have to think like a little bit of it is cut off when you look at the phone, but basically. And whole the thing is what you see when you look at your computer. No, when you look at your TV screen. Like if you're on Xbox, something like that. So I want to take this line tool and then I just want to do it in a dark blue because I use dark blue a lot. Then we want the line thickness to be about 20 to 25, a little bit depending on your mood. And then you just place 2 lines. No need to make them some chrome or anything like that. And then we mark them and we use our little global up here. And then we find another color in the same area, and then we do like this so that we like kind of have a little bit of shading. And then, well, I guess we are going to do object shadow, which is allowed to be a little bit strong and a little bit big. We're just gonna wait for it to load for a second. Perfect. Now we like kind of have something, and now we have an idea about the placement of our different things. So my next step is to say, alright, we want a new layer. So we click import from file. Because when we do that, we can go into anything and pick any photo. What I'm going to use today is, I guess, one of these photos. These photos is from a really cool dude called DK Bay. I'm not sure if he has a YouTube channel or not, but he was really nice a few years ago to send them to me, and I have kept them laying around because it was really awesome to have these pictures because they're really detailed and they have shaders on. A shader pack that, even though I have a gaming laptop, I'm not able to run that. At least not effectively enough. And like, they look really awesome, so big shout out to him. Yeah. But it's kind of busy at the same time. Like, we can see that. So we have to be kind of careful not to, to not put something too busy over the middle part. So we're gonna put Minecraft out here, and then basically all the things you can. Rest of this, just erase it. You have no need for this piece of crap at all. I'm sorry, it's not crap. It's just a honest truth. Alright, so now we have the first picture. Then we want a second picture, and I think I know what that picture is going to be. So in this case, I need to be under my drawing thingy. And then I'm going to find a drawing I have called My World. And you know, alright, that's annoying. How do we turn off Steam for a second? Go away. And of course, you can make it smaller and like make it so it fits the way you want it. And with this one, I'm going to do that quite a bit. And then, oh gosh, that was an accident. I hope you know. And then look, now we have another one of these areas. So we can just erase this. Alright, so we need one last picture. And usually when I do something like this, I would use a picture of, let's say, me holding my camera. I don't think I'm going to do that today. I'm actually not quite sure what picture I'm going to pick, because it has to be something that like contrasts these very well. So while you guys are just looking at some random shit, I'm going to go through all my things unless I have something that pops into my head right away, right here. Actually, you know what? I think I do. But like, it's kind of big. I'm not sure. I did this photo shoot a few weeks ago where I took these kind of awesome looking pictures. So I think I'm going to use one of those. Very specifically, I'm going to choose this one. Yes, of course. That's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna copy it, because or else you're gonna end up with something like that over there. And that's not what we want. We want to keep the layer size. But please keep in mind the reason it did that right there is obviously because of my very high resolution picture. And in this case, I'm just gonna pull it down on the lowest level. Alright, so now we have this. Now I really hope you guys listened when I told you guys how to do really awesome text. Because this is going to go fast. Really goddamn fast. Alright, find the text type you want to use. Probably the same one as the one you used when you did your overlay. No. Not your overlay. When you did your logo. I'm not going to totally use that because I use that a lot, and I want something a little bit different in this case. Go for the text type you really prefer and love. If you like have something like the name Creative Gaming, where it's like kind of has to be made up in 2 words, then it's really awesome to put one over the other, so it kind of gets like that effect. And you should be able to see now why I said it's so important that you don't have a busy background, because it gets a little bit hard to see. Alright, so under that, we're gonna make a new layer. And actually, we want that text to be black, as you can see there. Then we want text like that, mark it, do the blending. Do that effect, because that's a really important effect. Put those two layers together. Go under photo, go under that shiny thing. Put a really big radius, low light, and high contrast, because that makes this have a shadow effect too. Then mark all of this, go up here, not what I wanted, mark everything around it, make that right, then go under objects, make that have an object shadow, and we need a kind of a big and strong shadow. Make that one go away. Make the white go away again. Don't have the shadow too dark. Combine those. And find the best way to put this thing. And you know what? That's not what I wanted. You know what? In this case, I made it way too dark color-wise, so I'm gonna allow it to get a little bit of a shine. And there you go. This is how you make a really awesome looking YouTube banner. And this is actually kind of good looking without being awesomely looking. I'm actually kind of impressed. And then you of course just save it like you would save anything else. And I might even go back to this one and edit it later on. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out all the other videos from the Paint.net series if you haven't already. And then remember to check out all the links in the description box below, because I have links for my Twitter, my Facebook, my Twitch, and my Mixer profiles. And of course also a link for my very own Discord server. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you want to learn about Paint.net.